Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted photos on Google Photos. So firstly open up Google Photos. Then for example I will delete a photo. Let's say I will delete this photo. So I will just simply click and hold on the photo and then press delete. Then again press allow. Now if I go to my library and then if I go to my bin, I will find my photo right there because it will be in my bin for next 60 days. And if I want to recover this photo, I can just simply select the photo and press restore at the bottom right corner and then press allow, and that will restore my photo in my main page. But if I delete a photo from both my main page and my bin, there is no way to recover this particular photo because there is not even a customer care support for Google Photos. So you are unable to recover a photo that is permanently deleted even from your bin in Google Photos. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.